This will be an unboxing of the OnePlus 6T. I have two of them here. One is the matte black and this one is the mirror black finish. So let's take a dive right now. No waiting around, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna make an incision here, as you can see. And let's get this off the plastic. You can read that if you want. Tear this apart. Oh man. Okay, here we go. And if I can get it out, see there's a tab right here. Oh, this is really difficult for some reason. There, get off. I can't get this off. Wow. Well, I guess I can give them props for the packaging. So here's the phone itself. And right away, they're reminding you that the fingerprint scanner is embedded in the display, so you can see. Very nice. Take these plastics off. We don't want any plastic on our phones, and we don't want any decals either. Take this one off. Put this one to the side. And here's the device. I do like how OnePlus includes a pre-installed plastic screen protector on the phones. Go ahead and turn this bad boy on. OnePlus powered by Android. Put the phone to the side for now. Let's dive in the rest of the box. And I believe in here is our documentation, etc. Ooh, we get a case. We get a case. Very nice. And again, every manufacturer should do this. Put that to the side, and in here is our documentation, etc. Open this up. We have your SIM ejection tool with some artwork there. Safety info. And we have this thing. Oh, wow. Look at that. Nice. Unlock the speed. Gonna be doing some speed tests with this for sure. Put all that to the side. And what is this, an invitation letter? Okay, what's in here? A lot of stuff in this box. And what does this say? I don't know what this says. Open? A word from Pete, OnePlus CEO, and it's a handwritten letter here, it seems. Pause the video and read that if you want. And on the back it says, 5 years old and 1 million stories told. Created by you, with you, for you. Which I kind of agree with, except for the headphone jack. And in the box we do get the OnePlus fast charger, which they don't call dash charge anymore for copyright reasons or whatever. Put that to the side, and here's their patented red cable. Very nice. And since there's no headphone jack, we get that now. The headphone jack dongle. All that to the side. Start. Agree to this. Okay, I'm gonna decline that, decline this. Skip the mobile network for now. Connecting to Wi-Fi. See all Wi-Fi network. That's me. Copy apps and data. I'm gonna set this phone up as a brand new phone, so no copying needed. Setup fresh. Sign in, we'll skip the sign in for now. Skip the account setup. Just wanna get into the phone. I wanna test out the fingerprint scanner. Use your face and fingerprint to unlock. Skip the face data. I'm gonna do the fingerprint scanner. As you can see the animation there, it's in the display, which is very cool. Fingerprint setup prompt. Okay, I'm gonna click next on this, and as you can see, there it is. I believe it's an optical sensor underneath the display, so we'll just do that right now. Fingerprint added. All right, so that wasn't too bad. Next, adding finishing touches. Screen off gestures, skip that for now. Screen calibration, we'll just leave it at default, and we're gonna go with the OnePlus Slate for the font. Why not? Click next. And we are in! So let's check out this fingerprint scanner. So you can see right there, I'm gonna put my finger on and you're in. fingerprint animation effect. So these are your options. You have the first one, which is Cosmos, Wave, which is that effect right there, as you can see, and then the stripe. That's how it looks like. So it comes with Cosmos out of the box. I'm gonna change it to Wave just cause, and we'll check that one out right now. You can see the effect right there. Cool, so let's go to storage. How much storage do we get out of the box? This is a 128 gigabyte model. So out of the box, it uses about 13 gigs out of the 128. And out of the box, we do have Android 9 with Oxygen OS 9.0.2. And it looks like I already have a system update. It says update now, which I'll do that later. So let's go ahead and open the mirror black one real quick. So this is the mirror black version of the phone, and comparing it to the matte black. Can't go wrong with either one. Personally, I'll go with the matte finish. Turn this one on too. There you go, let that boot up. And then comparing the OnePlus 6T to the OnePlus 6 from 6 months ago, so you can see, fingerprint scanner on the back of the OnePlus 6, traditional fingerprint scanner. I don't know if it's just me, but I think this one might be a little bit darker, just a shade than this one. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but comparing the notches on the OnePlus 6 versus the OnePlus 6T. So you can see the one on the 6T, it's much less intrusive. Dare I say it, prettier to look at than the one from 6 months ago. One of the better implementations of the notch on the OnePlus 6T. Personally, I would still prefer no notch whatsoever. Go into settings and the notch display, hide the notch area, and it's gonna look like that. For you anti-notch folks. I did also get this phone with their carbon fiber case. So we'll check this one out right now. Let's put this case on the matte black, just to see what it looks like. Phone snaps right in. Nice. From the back, it's gonna